No.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is cool. Woo!
Wow. We would not want to do this later.
Oh my gosh. Yay, adventure!
Straight down to your left, and the RV parking down there.
Great, thank
Oh,
you.
thank you very much.
We're at Woodstock, you guys. It's crazy. 50th anniversary of Woodstock. We're going to see John Fogerty tonight.
Who played right here 50 years ago today, and we're gonna see him again tonight. It's crazy.
We can't, unfortunately.
I guess we're not. I'm sorry to interrupt.
No.
We're not gonna see him again.
No.
We weren't here the first time.
We were not here the first time.
No, I was 4.
But what I was gonna say is we can't share the music with you because of copyright laws and YouTube and all that. But we're gonna take you around here, show you the sights. Hi, Pistol. We're at Woodstock. Oh, hi. Hi, everybody. This is what we're looking at, you guys. We're getting ready to go up to see John Fogerty. And it's calling for severe thunder showers.
We can only hope.
Whoops.
Ooh, I just saw lightning.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow, these clouds are crazy. You gotta look at this. Got about another hour before we head up, so we'll see what happens between now and then. The rain is here. This is gonna be insanity tonight.
It feels so good. It was 85 degrees, so humid today. This is like liquid air conditioning. It feels amazing. What?
Wanna go up? Let's go.
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this. I gotta get my raincoat though.
Yeah, raincoat. You might want to put something in the dress on, Marilyn.
Woo! Now we wait with how many other people? Thousands of other people.
Oh, there's a lot of people here. We usually avoid the crowds today.
We have priced the crowd.
here tonight. Probably the coolest place I could ever be in the rest of my life, because I was here 50 years ago. That doesn't happen very often in this life we have. Anyway, we are here celebrating 50 years of my trip and 50 years of your trip. Don't let that scare you. We're just here to have a good rock and roll time. Let's get going.
That concert was amazing.
Very cool.
I'm exhausted. John Fogerty played like 2 hours. We didn't get to bed till 1 o'clock.
He hasn't missed a step.
No. I so wish I could have shared some of the music with you. But
I wish we could have shared the stories, because, I mean, here he is 50 years ago to the day to tell the stories about following the Grateful Dead and how that whole, you know, he's supposed to play at 9, wound up playing at 2:30, and everyone was asleep. And
yeah.
the stories he told was really cool. So,
and to think we almost didn't go. That really was an incredible experience to go and experience that.
Yeah, that was something that I think that the takeaway from this whole Woodstock video for me is we almost didn't go, because it's like, you know, if you follow us for a while, you know, we like to kind of stay out of the crowds and not always comfortable in that area, and so it's going to be busy. It's, you know, we just found out about it
the night before.
The day before. It's okay, now we're going to buy tickets, where we're going to stay, what's it going to cost, you know, parking, the dog, all these issues. And it's like, sometimes it's just easier to say, let's just not, just go do something else. But so we were having that conversation and thinking, let's just not. And I started remembering and talking about the last time the last time and the first time we were at Woodstock, and we pulled into the little memorial area that, I don't know if it's called memorial, but it's you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, the top of the field where they
and you can overlook the whole area, and we were all alone until these two brothers pulled up, and they were early 70s, and one of them had been to Woodstock and one of them hadn't. And the one that had was, I mean, just to hear him tell the stories about, oh, I was out there and that's where the band was and the helicopters brought in, you know, he was all excited. And the other brother said, well, he thought it was gonna be too crowded and too muddy of a mess to go, so he didn't bother with it. And that's always stuck with me, as like, he didn't go. And I can't imagine, you know, he's got to be, the people that could have went that didn't have to go, man, wasn't it? I mean, 500,000 people, and it's such a historical thing. And so we said, let's go to the concert. And it was like, awesome.
We don't want to be the brother that didn't go. Although, to his credit, he wasn't wrong. It was a muddy mess the first time. Now, I was so grateful the weather cleared for the show.
Yeah, it stopped raining once the concert started. And
yeah,
there was a lot of people, and it was a happy place.
Yeah.
There was nothing crazy.
Fantastic time. We're headed into Pennsylvania. I don't know what we're doing for sure. We decided to give George some time to wrap up his van build, so we're not interfering and getting in his way.
Yeah, at the very end of this month, it should be wrapped up, and the new owner is going to arrive.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be all hands on deck with our build. So, and it's funny how, you know, things, if you're always looking on the bright side, how they kind of work out. Because had we not decided to give him a little bit more time, we'd be in New Jersey when it's at its hottest and most humid, not being able to get a lot of stuff done in the van, just kind of waiting for, you know.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't have been to Woodstock.
We wouldn't have. We would have been in New Jersey by then.
So it's one of those things where it's going to be good.
Yeah, everything's good. Every day's good. Look for the good in every day.
That's a deep video, folks.
You're
We're
right.
going to leave you with that one right there. Look for the good in every day.
All right.
Don't be the one who didn't go because it was too muddy.
That's right.
All right.
Peace.
Carry on.
Carry on.